This is my 2020 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive, and I'm gonna show you something here on this key fob. You know, when you hit unlock, you notice that it only unlocks the front door, not the back doors or the tailgate. I want to go into settings and change that to where when I hit it once, it'll unlock all the doors. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first you want to get in your truck. And once you're in it, you want to go ahead and start it up. And I'm doing this because I hate hitting that button twice to open all doors. That's just a lot of wear and tear on your fob, your key fob. So once you start it up, you want to hit this continue on your display screen. You know it going through its checks and balances. Then you want to go right here and hit menu. Once you hit menu, you want to go to your settings. Click it once. This is where it's hidden a little bit. Right here you got to hit this down button to get to vehicle. And you want to hit vehicle. And there you see where it says vehicle customization. You want to hit that. And then where you see door lock, hit the door lock settings. And once you see door lock, you see it will remote to press unlock. You want to turn that to off. So you want to go over here and hit that, and it turns it off. You see it's off. So now when you get out of your vehicle and you hit the button, it unlocks all the doors. Let's give it a try. So we out the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. So the vehicle, let me hit lock again, make sure it's locked. So now when I hit the unlock button, it unlocked all the doors. So I can come here and open this. The back door open, and also my tailgate, it'll open. And that's it. That's how you go to settings. So I'm gonna hit the lock. So when I hit the unlock once, all the doors open. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.